Communities weaken when people are nudged apart, when difference is sharpened into suspicion, when fear is made louder than trust, when ordinary voices are pushed to the edges and others speak over them. Play brings us back into the same space, not to make us all think the same, not to silence disagreement, but to help us speak, listen, challenge, laugh, repair, and begin again. That is how communities grow. People become protected enough to feel safe and free enough to become themselves. This is Convivencia in action, living together in peace and harmony.